Wix is one of those brands that SEOs hate, but the market loves. And I think it's interesting to watch their market share continuously rise year after year. You see their big promotional campaigns that are putting out there to TV. And while marketers are looking at them thinking, oh, what are they doing? This is a mess. The normals of the world, the people who run mom and pop businesses, the people who run regular brick and mortar organizations are looking at this as an amazing solution where they don't need to know how to write code, but they can have an amazing website. They can manage their email, they can manage their SEO, even if it's not as great as SEOs would say. Wix has done an amazing job at connecting with real people and real entrepreneurs. In many ways, they're the Shopify for the service industry, for the restaurant industry, for the photography industry, etc. And I think that's going to continue. And I think that they are prime in a great situation where they can continue to elevate their brand, and as a result of that, elevate their market share and ultimately their market cap.